Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's video we will be giving a quick overview of what an HMI is. Here at ICP DAS USA we sell a variety of HMIs, so let us help you find the right one for your project. Before we jump into the video, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and visit us at our website for more information. An HMI is the interface between humans and machines. It's the system that allows us to interact with and control machinery, devices, and even entire production systems. You've probably used an HMI without even realizing it. Every time you touch a screen on your phone, adjust settings on your car's dashboard, or even use a microwave. An HMI typically consists of a screen, buttons, or touchpads that let us communicate with a machine. It translates our input, like tapping, swiping, or pressing a button, into actions that the machine understands, like turning on a device, adjusting settings, or providing feedback. In industrial settings, HMIs are even more complex. They monitor and control things like manufacturing lines or HVAC systems, displaying real-time data like temperature, speed, and pressure. Operators can adjust parameters directly through the HMI interface, ensuring everything runs smoothly. Before HMIs, machines often had physical buttons or switches. But now, with digital HMIs, the experience is faster, cleaner, and more efficient. We offer a wide variety of HMIs, along with supportive devices and software, so talk to our team today to find a solution that is right for you. Thanks for watching today's video. Please give it a like, subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment if you have any questions, and as always please visit us on our website to chat with our team.